Hey everyone, want to start editing videos like a pro? Welcome back to our channel. Let's quickly download Adobe Premium Pro for free. Stick around, it's super easy. First, head over to Adobe's official website. Now click on the free trial button right at the top. Simply tap on continue. Now Adobe will ask you to sign in or create an account. Don't worry, it's free to create one. Once you're logged in, select Premium Pro from the list of software available for trial. Hit download. It will start installing right through the Creative Cloud desktop app. If you don't have it, Adobe will help you install it first, and that's it. Once installed, you're ready to start creating amazing videos with Premium Pro. Easy, right? Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more quick tips. Drop your questions below and I'll get back to them. Happy editing!